All right, so get some practice here with sketching our quadratics. We're going to do this using all three forms. So here in the middle, I have standard form. What this worksheet's looking for is to put a standard form into vertex form on the right-hand side here, and then we're going to use our factored form on the left-hand side. Okay, so let's go ahead and do factored form first. So I'm going to go ahead and just use my quick crossroads method. So thinking about what multiplies to -8 and what adds to -2. So the two numbers that do that I'll put here and here. That's going to be what, -4 and +2. So my factored form would look like x minus 4 times x plus 2, which means my axis intercepts would be on -2 and +4. Okay, so then we'll do a quick completing this square here. So this would look like x squared minus 2x plus, not sure what we're going to add just yet. I'm going to move that -8 off to the side. So remember, we take my -2, divide by 2, and then square it. So that's going to give me +1. And since I added 1 there, I'll subtract 1 as well. Okay, so in parentheses here, I'm left with x minus 1 squared. Okay, and then minus 9, which means my vertex is going to be at 1, -9. Okay, so vertex at 1, -9, that's going to be here. All right, I'll have my axes intercepts at -2 and +4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and we can go ahead and let's see, I'll also have my y-axis intercept that's going to be here at -8. I know that because of my c value right here in standard form. And we can go ahead and sketch by connecting all of our dots. Okay, so it's going to look something like that. All right, so let's do one more. Here we have the vertex form, so let's go ahead and expand this out. Well, first off, what do I know about my vertex? I know it's going to be at -2, -9. Yeah, it's a 9, -2, -9. So let's go ahead and expand this out for the standard form here in the center. So that'll look like x squared, so plus 2x plus 2x, that'll be plus 4x plus 4. Okay, that's kind of what I have. That's these parentheses expanded. All right, and then I have my -9 outside. Okay, so that'll look like x squared plus 4x, and then plus 4 minus 9, that'll be -5. Okay, so that -5 is going to be important because that is going to be my y-axis intercept. All right, and then we can go ahead and think about crossroads method. What multiplies to -5 and adds to +4? Okay, so that's going to be what, what adds, multiplies -5, -4, -1. No, that's not going to work. Going to be -5, +1. One more time. +5 and -1. There we go. Okay, so I've got x plus 5 times x minus 1. There we go, which means my x-axis intercepts will be at -5 and +1. All right, so I'll come over here to -2, -9. It's going to be there. Okay, so 8, 7, 6, 5. Okay, there's my y-axis intercept, and I've got my x-axis intercept here at 1, and over here at -1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and we can go ahead and connect our dots. And there